Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restart your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. To restart your laptop, simply open the Start menu, go to Power Options and select Restart or Update and restart if you have some updates pending. Otherwise, you can force restart your laptop if you don't have access to the previous menu by holding down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen of your device goes off. Then wait for about 5 to 10 seconds and short press the power button of your laptop to turn it back on. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.